So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to expand admin templates. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to find logon. We're going to scroll down. You want to click on the logon folder. And now this should appear on the right side. And now once you're on this, you want to find always wait for the network at computer startup and logon. Double click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to set this to enabled and then click on OK. For the second step, you want to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. And now in this box right here, you want to type in %temp% and then click on enter. And now once this comes up, you want to delete everything in this folder. So you want to do Ctrl A and then click on delete. Wait for this to load. It might not delete everything in the folder, but it's going to delete most things. So now if you get this, you want to click on cancel. Now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.